Hey there, everybody. What is going on? So, we have some cool things that we're getting ready to do now. All right. Dana and I have been kicking around this idea for a while now. Finally decided let's just do it. Let's just jump in there and start making some videos focused on starting a YouTube channel in your 50s. Question might be why? All right. Here's the thing. Dana and I are both in our 50s. All right. I'm 54. Dana, hopefully you're okay with this. You're 53. I'm sharing our ages. All right. We've been working on our YouTube channel together now for just over a year. August was a year, and it's now November. And we've learned a thing or two about starting a YouTube channel in your 50s. And we want to share everything that we've learned and everything that we continue to learn with you. All right. Now, another reason is there seems to be a trend that we've noticed where we've had our channel for a while. It's had some growth. It hasn't been astronomical. It hasn't been like, oh my gosh, just take off growth. But what we've noticed with some of the other folks' channels out there is when they focus on how to start a YouTube channel when you're in your 30s or when you're 40 or when you're 80, all of a sudden their channels just take off. All right. So we are going to just play with this, see if we can't build an audience by focusing down in a niche on how to start a YouTube channel in your 50s. All right. So that's what this whole series is going to be about. We're going to be covering all kinds of ins and outs, nuts and bolts on how to start a YouTube channel. All right. How to use OBS. I've got OBS open right now in my other window, not once, but twice. Why? I have one set up for the desktop. If I wanted to share my desktop, I have the other one set up for my webcam, which is what you're seeing right now. And then I can pull that into Camtasia. Yes, Camtasia does have a way to do actual video capture. In my case, it crashes all the time. I've gone back and forth with Camtasia support. And so we use, or I use, Dana uses OBS as well, but I use OBS now for my actual recordings. And then I can manipulate the different streams, versus desktop and the actual camera. I can make my camera small. I can bring up the desktop. I can make the camera big, and I can do all that manipulation in Camtasia. We're going to show you all that. All right. So that's what we have coming up. All right. This is the first video on starting a YouTube channel in your 50s. That being said, if you're watching this video and you want to know what's the one thing that I should do to get going, take action. Go start an actual YouTube channel. You have to take action. All right. Yes, there's picking a niche. Yes, there's, kind of focusing on what you're good at, what you've done, what are you going to, enjoy doing. And that's definitely important, but don't keep that from getting you started. Jump in, start a channel. We'll walk you through how to set up a YouTube channel. You can change the name. You can change the topic anytime you want. Get started. You have to take action. All right. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching the first video of starting a YouTube channel in your 50s. Talk to you later, everybody.